To install EBF with HTTPS, first download the software from Linux link. You will require a 7Z compression tool to extract the EBF software. Install it using the command on the screen, if it is not already installed. Change your current directory to the location where you have downloaded the EBF software. Extract the EBF software directory from the downloaded file by running the command on the screen. After extracting the EBF software, run this command. It will ask for a new installation or an upgrade. Choose one for new installation option. Press Enter to read the EULA, End User License Agreement. To accept the EULA terms, type Yes or press Enter. Type Y to enable Lava option on EBF or hit Enter to disable Lava option. Type Y to enable Docker network range or hit Enter to continue with the default network range. Hit Enter to generate a default certificate for HTTPS support. EBF installation will be started. After successful installation of EBF software, change the directory to /data/timesys/ebf/setup. Use cat with settings.config file and look at the host IP address.